Alright, bro. Second YouTube video technically, but kind of the first.
Right now, I'm not going to really take this as a full opportunity to like introduce the CRZ. Kind of just be like, hey, we're doing this. Like, I want this kind of to be like,
What are you guys doing?
Making a video and working on the car.
here's our father.
Here's our father. State your name and occupation. State your name and occupation.
Alright, Dad. I'll see ya.
So this is our parents' garage. We're moving out soon. Because, I mean, this is gay.
We don't even live here.
Live with our grandma. So this is another project we did. Black grills on the X4. Yes, I know. It looks absolutely stellar.
Stunning, if you will. That's another project we did.
That's another project we did. Custom Finding Nemo turtle.
It's kind of lit.
Well, doesn't it show the interior of a car? That's like
Yeah,
that's
like
the
they're
seats.
driving it. Yeah.
That's kind of cute.
You know, it's the kind of thinking that comes with mtr-kngz. Alright. So, today, we're working on the 2011 CRZ Honda. Yeah, I don't want to really fully introduce this. I feel like there will be another video fully introducing it, but because this is my car. Gabe's working on getting his next project. We've done a few things. It's mostly just been trying to make it nice. Like the handle wasn't working. I didn't really want to film the dealership getting the part. Yeah, it's mostly just been stuff like that. Got my brake pads replaced. So, but this right here, you kind of show them. This is like the third brake light. Spoiler. It's called a rear brake light with spoiler, and it's missing this chunk. It got broke by the person I bought it from. So looks kind of awful. Has like these weird scratches all over it, and it's. I have a feeling that maybe they all just come like that, but it's like it kind of goes a blue compared to like this black. I'm like, I don't know. I don't get that.
How's the blue tint? Let me compare it to the new one. Which is in here. Kind of the same.
Yeah, it kind of. I think that just may be how they came, because I ordered the one that was black. But today, what we're doing is we're replacing that, and my end goal with the CRZ, as far as its appearance on the outside, is to wrap it. I like black though, but I chose satin. We'll see how it looks, but it'd probably be easiest just because you got all this going on. Which I'm like, bro, I don't know how we're gonna do this, but it's part of the project. We're gonna wrap this.
We're gonna wrap it and we're gonna try to install it. Now,
kind of what I have laid out right here is this is the satin black. I don't know if you're gonna be able to really tell much, but
looks kind of matte, satin-ish.
Yep, satin black, if you will. Kind of satin, matte, black tone. This is like pretty nice. It's a heat gun, but it's like a whole kit. Comes with like gloves, squeegees. Comes with different extensions to put on the heat gun, razors, trim things. So that's pretty nice. And then here's just some trim piece removal kits, and then we have our tools down there. As far as I know, it's only going to be some 8mm pieces up there once we remove the trim. So now, kind of just get right into it. See how difficult it will be, because we're going to get this center piece off, if you want to show them. Reach out. Now with everything in my power, I really do not want to break this. So we totally got this. I didn't record how it fell off, but it just like
just exploded off.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. You just basically like unclip it. It should have like two little indents. So if you have some kind of tool like this, just pop it off and just pull. It's kind of scary, but it just swung off. You can kind of show what's inside, what kind of you're dealing with. These clips, those clips, and then some of those. Nothing too difficult. What we have up here looks like, so this is what's going to basically be connecting the third brake light. So we looked up online, and it says that they're going to be 8mm.
We just cut off all the bolts underneath. So, seems like the one we got from eBay came pre-installed with these bolts already on. So we're just removing those. And it looks like here, it's like a little like pin thing.
It's like a center like locator.
So that way, I think, and it's got like a ridge to it, so that'll be kind of like holding this in. So Switch the camera and I'll let you pop it off.
Alright, so I'm just thinking that you were just... I don't really care if this piece gets any more damage, so...
I'm hoping that we actually did remove it all.
Center pin is still intact, it's fine. It goes right there. So yeah, that's all good where that's at. I think a lot of it was brittle just because it was sitting out in the sun.
And we have more, we have fresh new pieces anyway, so.
Yeah. Wondering, should we wipe that down?
Yeah, let's clean the interior. I like the idea of deleting the
brake light. Because I'm like, oh, I don't really care about it being used. And what if it kind of shines through just a little bit?
Yeah, it's kind of a vibe. Are you ready, bro? Are you ready for your first wrap ever? Alright, so there's our first attempt over there on that ball. We decided that it'd be much easier to just put it in here and then do it when it's attached because it was moving around a lot. So now we just need to pop that
Kind
in.
of clicks into place.
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay. So now,
I'm just gonna pop all those screws on there. So now we're just putting back on the
trim piece.
beautiful, wonderful trim piece.
There we go. Pretty easy. Snaps right into place.
Yo, looking satin, my guy. Do I see some bubbles in that area? Does it need a heat gun? I don't think I laid it down that good right here. See, that's much nicer.
That looks just nice. So,
Tired.
oh yeah, that's nice. Smooth, dude. This is a nice knife.
A little preliminary look.
Heck yeah, brother.
It's surprisingly.
I'm like, oh shoot, I just need that.
That's nice, dude. Magnetic. Dude, it surprisingly matches the paint's vibe. Like,
Yeah.
wow. Well, just because it's it's black, but
Found anything? It was weird. Before it was like, this is blue, that's black. I'm like, that's black, that's kind of blue.
yeah,
Color blindness, people.
very nice.
Oh dude, this is freaking perfect.
Yeah, dude, the sound looks freaking nice with it, bruv. Dude, I mean, it is faint, but
Yeah, dude, she basically smoked out.
it's pretty faint in real life, but on the camera shows it pretty decent.
Yeah, no, I mean like, that's kind of cool, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen,
We got him.
first mod video.
First mod video. So that was how to replace the third brake light on a Honda CR-Z. Should work for basically every single model they ever came out with, 2011 through 2016. Super easy wrap if that's something you want to do. It still shows the brake light through it. Looks very, very clean. Yeah, super easy to get into to just replace it if you're just looking to do that. I saw a few people on forums that were like, oh, what if I just wanted to delete it? you can't really just take it off and have it be deleted. It looks kind of, it's pretty messy down there. So they probably have to get something to replace it with. But yeah, that's our first mod video. It's kind of sick. There's gonna be a lot more coming, especially with the CRZ, with Gabe's future vehicle. It's a surprise. Who knows what it's gonna be? It's gonna be nuts, though. That's all we know. It's gonna be nuts, and we're gonna get a place. We're gonna have a garage. We're gonna be working extra hard, producing a bunch of videos. We're very, very excited.